In this video, I'm going to show you how to create folders on Discord. Maybe you have couple servers that you would want to, group into certain folders. Now, how to go about it is just to point on one of the servers that you want to add together with a particular server. Click and hold on it. Do not leave it. Just drag it and place it on top of the other server you want to add it to. Once you do that, a folder will be created. Now you see that we have two of these servers inside of this particular folder. Now if you click on this, you see it opens up. So this is the folder that is holding two of these servers. If we close, so you see they are in the same folder. Now if you want to add more servers, you just click and hold and drag also into the folder. We have the three of these servers inside of one folder. Now if you want to work on this folder, you just have to right click, then you have mark folder as read and folder settings. So I'll click on folder settings. Once you do that, you can give the folder a name. So I'm just going to call this new servers, and then you can give it a folder color. So I'm just going to choose green and then click on done. So you have it here. The folder is green now, and the server name is new servers, right? New servers, as you can see already. So it's that straightforward. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well.